Hey, April here from GettingMyActTogether.com, and we are going through the 30-day decluttering challenge. Today is day 13, and we are in a kid's room. Now, if you saw my video a couple days ago, you know that I just decluttered this room with him. And I mean, honestly, you could probably declutter it every couple of days. Probably regenerates itself, but it's actually not that bad. I don't know if you can see the floor. Stayed pretty tidy, so I'm proud of him. Really proud of him. I'm still going to declutter a kid's room today, but I'm going to do a different kid who doesn't want his room filmed. So I can't show you his room. Wish I could, but I can't. I'm going to respect that and stay out of there with my camera, but I'm going to help him with his room. Anyway, so I thought instead of showing you my decluttering today, I would give you 5 tips for ways that we help our kids declutter their rooms. And we have 4 different kids. They're all boys, but you know, they're different. And the oldest is 18, the youngest is 10. We've been through a lot of different phases with them. They've shared rooms, they've had their own rooms, and we've tried a lot of different things. And these are a few things that have worked for us. So the first thing was, I can't take credit for, my husband invented this, and if he got it from somewhere else, I didn't know about it, but it worked. It just really worked. And he calls it the magic door. So the kids it's bedtime, the kids are in here. They used to share a room, and he would say, okay, you go in there, and this is a magic, I want you to make this a magic door for me because this place is a wreck. And I want you to just get everything out of the floor, make it look make it look wonderful, wow me, because I'm going to come back and open this door in 3 minutes, and I want it to be a magic door. I want your room to be magically fixed. And they're like, okay. But that kind of matches their personalities because they're kind of go-getters. I don't know if it would have worked with my older 2 or not. They're more laid back. I'm like, okay. But anyway, try it. Try it with your younger children. They might surprise you because it worked. It was amazing. Now, granted, they were probably shoving a lot of stuff under beds. But not all of it. Like, we would have a really big toy box in there, which makes it really good, easy. That's another tip. Tip number 2, you got to have some kind of big toy box. It can't all be cute little divided bins by category because they're children, and they need to have some things where you can just very quickly scoop it all up and throw it in a toy bin. It's just, yes. Anyway, so magic door, giant toy bin, that's what I'm saying. And the other one is a scaled down version of the 27 Fling Boogie. So flylady.net has the 27 Fling Boogie for your house, you know, where you go and you find 27 things to throw away, 27 things to declutter, 27 things to give away. For your kids, what we do is we'll say, okay, find 10 things, throw away. And then it's a mission. Okay, I gotta find 10 things. And they will find their 10 things and throw them away. Usually that's not actually all that hard. And then the other one, 10 things out of your floor. Even his floor right now, though it's cleaned up, like there's a pair of shorts and some other things, but he might could still do it. 10 things to get rid of, 10 things to give away, 10 things you don't want anymore. However you want to say it. Usually books are a good place to start looking. So, and then the next one is put away 25 things. If their room's really a mess, and let's face it, sometimes they are, put away 20 things. Just 20 things out of here. And they can do that. They can handle 20 things. They can count to 20. Anyway, so those are just fun little things that make it small because kids will look at a really messy room and just crumple it. Oh, I can't clean this up. I don't even know where to start. So that's where you have to tell them where to start. And a lot of kids also need like these things broken down into baby steps for them. Like some of them, you want them to be able to handle 3 sets of directions at a time, but they just don't. You just need 1 set of directions at a time. And kindness and grace, because they're just kids. Like keeping a place as decluttered is hard for us. So of course it's hard for them. They're just kids. They're learning. Like this boy who has this room, he loves a clean, decluttered space. But he's just still learning how to keep it that way because he's 10. Anyway, so I hope you liked my ideas today. I hope you get some decluttering done. And I'm telling you, try the magic door if you have little kids. It's a really fun way to get them to just pick up real quick, just tidy up real quick. And but when I do go through things and find things to give away, I do like to have the kids in the room with me. And I will help them. I'm like, but you never play with this. How about this? And that's okay. But I hate to just like give away stuff and then be wrong and then be really sad or whatever. Anyway, hope you guys are having a great day. representing for the holidays. Alabama Christmas. All right, you guys, see you tomorrow.